Greg Johnson here with Johnson Insurance. And today I'm going to talk to you about why you should consider buying life insurance right now. All right, there's a global pandemic going on in our world. And I'm not here to scare you about that pandemic, but I know there's a lot of people fearful of catching this virus. I am too. And I don't want to scare you. I just want to remind you of the responsibility that you have to the people that you care about most, whether it be your kids, your spouse, your business partners, whoever it might be. You have a responsibility and you need to take care of that. And right now, life insurance companies more than ever are loosening up their strings and helping people acquire life insurance products amidst all this chaos. So today I just want to give you 5 things to think about on why you might want to consider buying some life insurance in the near future. All right, so let's start with number 1. I said it already, protecting your loved ones. I wish in 20 years of doing this business, I wish people would care as much about the responsibility to their loved ones as they have about not catching this virus. Our country has taken drastic measures to try to prevent folks from catching this virus. I wish people would take those same types of drastic measures to protect the ones they love. Number 2, replacing some wealth. Odds are you had a portfolio that went down in the first few months of this year. The stock market at one point was down 35%. It's rebounded some, but if you've lost some wealth, buying a dirt cheap term policy in a situation where you don't even have to go through a physical can be a great way to replace some of that lost wealth. And if the market comes back like we expect it will, you can either cancel the policy or use it for something else. Number 3, replace lost group coverage. Most folks I visit with today, their only life insurance comes from their employer. So if you've been laid off and you need to replace that, and we've got $600 extra in our unemployment benefits, there might be a great opportunity for you to go pick up some life insurance. Number 4, protecting your insurability. When I visit with young folks, or really any folks today, I talk all the time about the fact that if you buy term insurance, it's ultra cheap to buy term insurance. But the biggest benefit that comes with it is protecting your insurability. What that means is if you got sick, if you had a bad driving record, let's say your mom and dad had health struggles and you can't qualify at the preferred rate class that you could or you could have 15 years ago, if you've got a term policy in place that has conversion options, you can walk right through that underwriting process. You don't have to requalify and face some of those struggles. And finally, number 5, life insurance remains one of only a few products that passes to your beneficiaries 100% tax-free. The government just spent between $2 to $3 trillion in stimulus money. Who do you suppose is going to pay for that? I believe it's going to be the taxpayers at some point down the road in the form of higher tax rates. So why not utilize life insurance and the uniqueness of it to help transfer wealth to that next generation? All right, so there you have it, folks. 5 reasons you should consider buying life insurance right now amidst one of the craziest times we've ever faced as a country and even as a world. And I would ask you to give some strong thought to it because it's easier today than it ever has been to go pick up life insurance policies. And if you need some help, let me know or work with a professional because it'll be the easiest purchase you've bought in a long, long time. I care about you all. I want you all to stay healthy, safe, hold on to your loved ones, and let's get through this thing together, and we'll be seeing you soon. Thanks, guys.